are pleased to show you the 2018 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, wheel locks, rear lip spoiler, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, rear bumper protector, PIO, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.